What's up, guys? Before the video starts, I want to thank you for subscribing to my channel and liking it. And if you haven't did that yet, go ahead and subscribe. And if you're thinking about getting into the carpet cleaning business, I do offer a step-by-step course down below in the description, as well as the tools I love and use. So now you know. Stay tuned. What's up, guys? Tom here from Green Rhino. Today we're well, only job I'm going to be recording today is just this one room. I'm doing an estimate. It's a inside facility with some large hallways. I'm doing an estimate, and plus I'm just going to clean this room for them. They're going to put me on their cleaners list. Already sent them my info, so I'm going to do an estimate. This has already been approved, and then I'm going to do an estimate and send that off. And they're going to send that off and get it approved. And hopefully they'll be back to do the hallways, about 3,000 square feet of these tile type of rugs. So what I'm going to do today is what I'm going to do when I come back is low moisture. I'm going to do low moisture on this because just parking, hoses and all that stuff just not convenient for this place. So we're going to see how good we can get it low moisture. Alright, so of course I got to do a nice vacuum first. So let me vacuum this thing. So we got some water-based paint there, which shouldn't be hard to get up. We got burn areas. He'll replace whatever, like the burn tiles and stuff. So just a lot of paint. Looks really, really bad right now. So, all right, stay tuned. Alright, as you can see, I got my 175 out. I got my pre-spray mixed up. I got a little hand drill in case I need it. Got my bonnet. I do have a microfiber I'm going to start off with, and then I'll probably go back over it with this. I'm going to pre-agitate with a black brush. Hopefully it's not too aggressive for the carpet fiber, which I don't think, or the carpet tiles. But I don't think it is. So yeah, this is what it looks like after it's been vacuumed. Already looks a lot better, huh? But still dirty. Let's cross our fingers and hopefully this comes out looking great. All right, I'm gonna pre-spray now. we got the pre-spray down. I'm just gonna see what this little scrubber does. Oh yeah, you can see we can have great results as far as most of the staining here. Just scrubbing it really makes it look better. This Carpet Details, man, this stuff is my go-to on most things. Tile, carpet, upholstery. So the good thing about the Carpet Details is you can do low moisture and hot water extraction with it. So, all right, stay tuned. I'm gonna go ahead and get the scrubber going. All right, for the 175, if you ordered the big black brush, it's a standard brush. It's one that you can use on multiple surfaces. When you first get it, it's gonna be really, really, really firm. So you need to take it out on the concrete and run it for like 15-20 minutes over the wet concrete. And then it helps. A subscriber had went and bought these, and he emailed me and said he's having trouble using it, and I let him know that, and he hasn't got back to me since, so maybe he's got it figured out now. And they are not easy to use. That's why these big black brushes aren't really recommended for residential if you got furniture, because yeah, they're not easy to use. They're great for move outs and stuff like that, so keep that in mind. Also, if you're new to the VLM or using a 175, keep the handle below your belt line, and it's going to be a lot easier. The higher you have up, the more you're going to fight this thing. So remember that if you just got that below your belt line. So you can tell all that's really looking a whole lot better just by scrubbing it. This entryways the worst. Alright, that's enough for that. So I'm just going around this water-based paint, just getting a good scrub on it. Pre-spray should take care of it. Alright, just going around there and spotting things before I actually extract. These spots are going to be a little bit too much there as far as thick. I'm not gonna worry about that. All right. I do have some POG here that should help out a little bit. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and extract or pick it up with the bonnet. So I put a spray on the top here. I like to moisten up my bonnets a little bit. Some people do it, just rely on the pre-spray put down, but I do a little bit of both. So, all right, let's see. Set this down. Sorry if I'm breathing so hard. Dang. Green Rhino Carpet Cleaning. All right, so if you're just getting into the business and you only have the money for a VLM setup, even if you don't think that's what wants to be your final cleaning process, like basically you want to strictly do a VLM, or you want to strictly do hot water extraction, I truly believe you need to have both tools in your arsenal for situations like this, where you can't have hoses cannot reach, for one thing. Also, if you think you can't make a living off doing VLM and you got some sort of complex thinking it's not going to get good cleaning for you, I mean, the proof is in the pudding. If I was to start all over, I lost everything I had, I'd go right out and get me 175. That's before I got me a portable. But if I did get a portable, what I would do is I would get a portable electronic truck mount where you can pull out of your van if you wanted to. So it's a portable and a truck mount. A lot cheaper than a truck mount, just a little bit more than a high-end portable. So spend a little bit more, put on credit, do something, get financing. You're worth it. Electronic truck mounts will do the job for you, residential, small, commercial. Do me a favor, if you haven't subscribed yet, reach right down there and hit subscribe or ring that bell, because I upload a video every 2-3 days. So entrepreneurship, carpet cleaning. All right, that's it. What do you think? Remember, that's burn marks through here. They're gonna replace that. Burn marks. Random burn marks all through here. But I got most of the paint out, and I think it looks good enough to rent out. So he's got some tiles he's gonna replace. Once this dries up, it's gonna lighten up a lot more. So VLM, guys, this is the process, and you get great results, all right? Most of the time I do VLM on commercial carpet. So as you can see, I'm going to be coming back later this week all the way down. There's 3 floors to that, so it's about over 3,000 square foot. So I'm going to do that on with VLM. All right, so thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment. You know the routine. See ya in the next one.